Hey guys, Chainsaw Chad, and welcome back to another video. It's Tuesday. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Today I'm going to be carving a slab piece with all the slab pieces that I have cut. I'll show you what I do with those. Alright, on my slabs, I like to draw them out first. I'm just going to finish drawing. I'm going to do a crane. Let me finish drawing in a minute and we'll start carving it. I got the basic shape of it. I'll start cutting it out. All right, let me get my chainsaw and we'll start carving. Alright, I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. I think we were at, let's see, this morning I checked, I think we were at 460. That's a lot. Maybe we could reach 500, who knows, give it a try. But I need you guys' help. Alright, so we're going to be doing a crane. You could do anything you want. I mean, it's pretty much endless what you could do. You could do owls, you could do a feather, you could do ducks, fish, anything that will fit the slab. We're not going to cut the whole thing out. I'm going to cut chunks out and leave parts attached. Like probably the beak will be attached because that's kind of a thin spot. And maybe the tail end. But a lot of the other stuff is just all going to be cut out. So let's get started. Alright, we basically got the basic shape of the crane. I don't get too detailed on these. I want it to be more like you're walking along the beach and you find a piece of driftwood and hey look, it looks like a crane inside of it. So I want it to be more almost camouflage. The next step I'm going to be starting to do, shape the top here, do some grooves, just to make it look like an old piece of board. And then later on we're going to burn it and make it look old and rustic. The next step is to burn it. What I do is burn in the grooves, just to give them more depth. And then I'll sand the surface of it to get it white again. The crane itself, I'll just leave natural like this. I'll probably hit it with a sander. You guys can do whatever you want. You can actually paint it if you wanted. Sometimes I do that, but I like them natural, so that's what I do mostly. Yeah, I'll get to burning, and then I also burn and then brush it in real good. So when you're burning, it's going to get everywhere, but later on we'll sand that surface and it'll get it white again. It's going to get everywhere. The wind's blowing it all over, but just do as best you can. Alright, now I'll take these nylon brushes and just I'll start brushing it in. It's kind of like painting with fire, or painting with charcoal, really. Yeah, just get it all in the grooves. You can even take the small one, kind of just spreads it around. At the very end, you'll be putting like a clear coat over it so the charcoal won't come off anyway. So. And it's okay to get it all over. We'll be taking a sander later, sanding it all down. Now I know you guys, if you want to try this, you can do whatever you want really. But a lot of you guys, hundreds of you guys send pictures of carvings that you guys do, and I really appreciate it a lot. Some of you are new at carving. Yeah, you guys send pictures, and everybody has their own style. Nobody's is better than anybody else's. If you try a crane, yours is going to look different than mine. That's everybody's style. If everybody's was the same, this world would be pretty boring. So don't ever let anybody ever tell you that your carvings aren't good, because everybody has their own style. Alright, so first I'm going to just use a regular palm sander. I think I'll hit the bird the best I can. Now, I got it all over the beak and everything. We'll sand that down, get that all white again, and then I'll show you how I do the rest of it. Alright, I got pretty much sanded. I don't want it to sand too much. I still want it to look like a chainsaw carving. You could actually sand it down as smooth as you want. For me, I like it. I still like it with the chainsaw marks in it and stuff. The next step, we're going to sand just the surface here. You could either use a palm sander, or if you have one of these, flap sander, which works really good. It gets in all the grooves, looks nice and smooth. Alright, the flap sander, if you don't have one, you could even leave it like this if you wanted to. Otherwise, you could finish the whole thing with a palm sander. This just gets in the grooves a little bit more. It's got sandpaper. It's got a refill cartridge inside. You can order refills for it. But yeah, just start sanding in the grooves. After you get it sanded, use clear coat, put a clear coat over it, or you can keep it natural, whatever you want. You can paint the bird. Yeah, like I said, I like to keep it natural. So yeah, there we have it, a crane and a piece of slab wood, and that's what I use all my slab pieces for. Alright, I had a customer, a good customer. Her name is Tracy, and she made this for me. What it is, it's a notebook made out of paper. This is actually paper. She stamped it it's supposed to look like leather, which it really does look like leather. But that's just paper. And she actually stitches around the whole thing, and it's like a notebook with all these different things in it. There's like a marker for book marker, all these pages, and then look at this little hand. I don't know if you can see that. Actually, it goes this way. It says handmade. And there's another little thing here. But yeah, this thing's just filled with different stuff. Birch bark paper. And there's a little paper clip here. Another bookmark over here. Yeah, she makes these. Tracy Smith, handmade. If you would like one, I'm not sure how much they cost or anything, but I'll leave her email address at the bottom here. Yeah, just email her. And thank you very much, Tracy, for giving me this. Alright guys, that's all the video I got for you. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Yeah, there's so many different possibilities you could do with these. I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you guys next week, Tuesday.